Hey everyone, we're going to check out the KZZI K75 Pro mechanical keyboard. So check it out with the cream colored keys, the blue and the burnt orange brown type of color. You get some extras right here with the extra blue switches. It seems you get the white USB-C port and the keycap holder. Pretty much this is a tri-mode keyboard, so you can do Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz wireless and also wired, and also it's hot swappable with 3.5 pin switches, has a rechargeable 3750 battery, and it also has a battery level indicator right here. Sound test. So you can see here it comes with two USB-Cs and one USB port, and the keys can be customizable.